get away.
Pennsylvania. There was... Hold on.
I'm good.
What's going on?
Someone just... Damn it! Don't hit us.
What the...
Ai đi xịt nữa rồi chỗ lớn nhỉ? Số là lầu tiếp kìa.
Oh my god! Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here?
मर्जी करने वाला भैया लंबा रास्ता हो जाता आगे आने तो ज्यादा ना ट्रैक लगी तो नहीं बच गया यार
There lies a long shadow. The tower trembles.
But like the things you think when you are afraid are not made made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman who
Hell.
Он ближе в 2 раза. Блядь!
I didn't think I'd make it. I was in.
Ух ты, блядь. Стоять нахуй.
Ой, сука, все.
Пидоры, блядь!
Как это он так?
Любимая, нам не позволят это.
Ух ты!
Предназначена для передачи.
Оу!
Что это?
Ах ты, блядь, сука!
Ты шо это? Весь сам.
Oh, there's an accident. Just when they changed lanes. Oh, whoa! Oh my god. Oh my.
Mormon church hurting on the big money for those boys. Are you okay?
I just got in a wreck.
What happened? Oh my
I
god.
think that this is the city that they're building.
When are they gonna open it?
Your destination is on the right.
Was this plugged in?
Yeah.
Thank God. Oh my. Holy sh. Holy. I have the footage of this.
Water.
On your smart speaker with the Alexa skill that is so convenient. And of course, on your radio at 94.1.
Jesus, 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 Jesus!
What's happening?
Oh my goodness.
God, man.
Oh my goodness.
Да ну нахуй, блядь.
Stupid fucking retard, man.
Ouch.
Halfway around the turn. Holy shit.
Oh.
The train sped forward at an incredible speed, crushing everything near it. The woman did something different from the other cars in the same lane and ended up receiving a special and painful gift. The man in the red shirt is pitiful for having to endure such a tragic accident. Was the truck driver blind? The small car might have thought it wasn't at fault. It didn't know anything and just had to run away quickly. The person who made the mistake left calmly, leaving behind a mess caused by their error.
Highway 288 south for 1 mile.
100 marks. They got a lot of them, but I don't think they have a power back. Like if you don't want to, fine, that's your call. But bring in somebody that's kind of like a downhill first and second down guy. If they don't have him, and I thought Mike.
Back up. Oh shit, okay. Are you behind me or in front of me? Oh shit! Holy. Oh my god.
Collision at the intersection in Carrollton, TX on April 17th, 2024. Everyone was safe after the incident of running a red light. The incident on March 18th, 2024, in the USA was captured by a dash cam. No injuries were reported. The collision on the northbound Capitol Freeway in San Jose, California on April 10th, 2024. Speed control when taking a curve is crucial. The incident on April 20th, 2024, on the Turnpike. The incident occurred in the USA on November 9th. No injuries were reported after the incident. A tanker truck suddenly exploded while stopped at a red light in Russia on August 9th. Checking the vehicle before driving is essential.
Oh! I got that up.
Security camera captured a crash involving a garbage truck and a train in Mesa. Don't worry, everyone is safe after the collision. The incident occurred on May 8th, 2024, at an intersection in the USA. There were no human or property damages. Maintaining distance while driving is necessary. Collision in Nekrasov on April 25th. A rear-end collision incident on March 15th, 2024, in the UK. Both drivers are okay.
The heaviest drain will be along and just north track of this upper level. That means
This incident was captured on April 24th in Dallas, Texas. Great news, everyone is safe.
Are traveling down a rustic North Carolina road when disaster strikes.
Dashcam recorded a rear-end collision involving a dump truck pushed by a car into a house. The driver suffered only minor injuries. A semi-truck driver escaped safely after the truck got stuck on the tracks. The incident occurred in Mexico on October 18th.
Asshole! Goddamn asshole!
The accident due to not keeping a safe distance occurred in the USA on March 18th, 2024. Everyone is okay. A minor collision occurred in Russia on January 15th, 2024. There were no human or property damages.